Hello, what is up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm diving into something I've been seeing everywhere on my timeline. And finally I'm reacting to episode 1 of Chainsaw Man. Hope it's good and there's only one way to find out. Let's get started. Oh, this looks so realistic, man. Oh,
Better get to work. Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was, 1.2 mil. My right eye was 300,000.
what?
Sold one of my nuts, too. How much did they go for again? Not even 100K, I think.
He sold all his body parts.
So as of today, I owe over 38 million yen.
Whoa.
What, Pochita? You ready to kill something? Well, that makes two of us. Most devils ain't what you'd call good, but a dead one's good for about 300 thou.
Is that a dog?
Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash.
What is this series about? Oh, it's such a long intro.
Yeah, this thing's gotta be the tomato devil, sir. Burn the seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Denji. Someone on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. How's 400,000 sound to you?
Sounds awesome!
That's before subtracting your debt payment and interest, though, which whittles it down to 170,000. Then there's the finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.
Just 70K left for me. I definitely gotta use this cut to pay the water bill. And then there are the debts I still owe to other people. Funny how that works. We're already down to 1,800 yen, Pochita. There's nothing to eat back at our place, which means we have to make this 1,800 yen last the rest of the month. For dinner tonight, Let's go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
I really don't understand why you hire a punk like that to take out devils.
It's to ensure he pays off the mountain of debt he owes us. Though his worthless dead dad accrued it, Denji's the one stuck with the bill.
Is a broke-ass kid and his creepy little pet honestly the best fit for this sort of job?
Authentic devil hunters wouldn't do what Denji does. Dealing the carcasses of their kills to the Yakuza is too scandalous for them.
Monster Hunter.
But not him. Denji's biggest perk is how obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow this cigarette. Huh?
Whoa, you will? Alrighty, down the hatch this sucker
He will do
goes.
anything for me, I guess.
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
He actually gains me.
Now we're set for another 3 days.
That's good.
Guess what I found out recently? It's considered normal to eat your bread with jam on it. Too bad normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt. Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My rinky-dink shack doesn't exactly scream romance. And no dough to go on dates. If dreams do come true, then before I croak, I want to be with a girl.
That cowardly bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
Is it his father, right? Does he know the death? He is repaying it, I guess.
A chainsaw? It's a devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way. You're hurt.
Someone shot.
Death's coming for both of us, huh? Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got. If you don't want to die, then bite me!
Actually, it's more.
My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I helped you out and saved your life. Now return the favor. Because, like you, I'd rather not die yet.
That's how they became friends. Okay.
Here's an idea. Hire me as a devil hunter so I can pay off what I owe.
I think he's paying for such a long time.
I'm way too hungry to sleep right now. I think about money when I can't sleep, which makes falling asleep even harder. When I do cop some Z's, I know what dream I want to have. Gonna put jam on all my bread, and split every piece with you. Then I'll lay on the charm and flirt with a girl. We'll spend the night playing video games together and hug each other as we doze off. Sweet, right?
What, is he dying already?
just runs in my family. They said my mom died from a heart condition that made her cough up blood.
Got a new devil for you, Denji. Time to go to work.
Wish they'd let me dream. At least for a little bit. You sure a devil showed up in here, sir? Apart from us, I don't see a soul. You think it's hiding somewhere? Or maybe it made like a bird and flocked off.
I don't think he has any power. He is using that dog or whatever to kill the demons. Oh, what he is
Denji, my boy, you know we're grateful for your years of service, yes?
Yeah, of course.
You're as loyal and obedient as a dog. And to top it off, you work for cheap treats like one as well. Only problem with dogs is I can never tolerate the stench. The Yakuza may be powerful, but even the ones on top dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil. We wanted to obtain demonic power and see ourselves grow stronger.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence perish. I have to tell you, little devil hunter, I've met runts that were smarter than these louts. Such gullible fools. I offered them a shred of my demonic power, and they willingly handed their freedom to me on a silver platter. Little did they know the power they sought would turn them into zombies, since I'm the zombie devil. You really should have chosen an occupation that doesn't butcher my kind, because now I have to butcher you. Go, mindless minions. Tear them apart and toss every piece you collect into the dumpster.
Shit! Where's the exit? Get off me! It's not like I was asking to be freaking king of the world. Just dreaming of a normal life was enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much!
Man, they killed him. Is he a zombie now? Oh, the blood can heal. Okay.
Pochita. Rise and shine. We got a long day ahead.
Is it green or what's happening?
Real talk, I'm 99.9% positive I'm gonna die fighting a devil someday. And my one regret will be leaving you on your own. What if you can't feed yourself and just starve to death? Or another devil hunter slaughters you in cold blood? There are some devils in the world that can take over dead bodies, or so I've heard. If you happen to be one of them, Pochita, I hereby give you full permission to take whatever's left of me. Wait until after I'm buried, though, so the Yakuza won't be on your case. Then you could up and leave this town and be ordinary. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. You'll live out the dreams I never could.
Okay, now the dog will take his body. Let's
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Oh no.
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji.
It can talk.
Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Pochita!
It gave its life.
I'm in one piece. Pochita!
What's going on here? You're still alive after being cut to ribbons? Repulsive freak. I hate devil hunters because of how persistent you are. Go ahead and eat him. Let's see him bounce back from being devoured.
These guys had plenty going for them already. Why is it they wanted even more? Maybe we're alike. Pochita made me happy, and that should have been enough. But I kept on dreaming of a better life. I guess we all fantasize about getting an upgrade. Can't really say I blame you for that. Dreaming's not a bad thing, but if you're gonna get in our way, then you can all die!
Eating him's bound to keep that whelp dead for good. What in the world are you? Did that runt of a devil you were with take control of your body? That means you're one of us. My back. It hurts! Stay away! Move! Get back! Don't come any closer! Don't you dare budge from that spot! Stay where you are, you freak!
guys went full devil. Right down to your twisted, greedy little hearts. And I'm out here tonight because you said you had a job for me. I'm on the clock. So I should kill you devils dead! Oh yeah! Once you search for worm food, it's bye-bye dead! I won't know a damn thing!
Who are these? Are they also Devil Hunter? Some
Someone
sort
beat
of
us to the punch.
association or something.
Looks like that one there is still alive.
Huh. Your scent is rather peculiar. It's neither a human's nor a devil's.
Okay.
So then, this your handiwork?
Please, will you hold me?
Finally, his dream come true. Holding a girl.
He's a human.
Is there any indication that he's been possessed?
None. It'd be written all over his face if he were. Just so we're clear, I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being. For the record, my pets get delicious food.
Keep him as a pet.
Delicious food, huh? So what's on the breakfast menu?
Bread with butter and jam is always a
You
given
don't
at my
pay any
table.
debts now?
Coffee and salad's also good. And then, maybe, dessert? Yeah.
It's like one of my best dreams ever just came true.
Yeah. Okay. This was like crazy, man. It was very interesting to see how he became Chainsaw Man. And finally, his dream also has come to true. Yeah. And animation looks very good, man. And yeah, I'm waiting for the next episode. We will meet in the next episode then. Thank you, guys.